welcome back to the channel, squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Today we have a very special unboxing that I honestly can't wait to show y'all. But of course, if you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on-feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style,
the best things since sliced bread, true,
or how to lace them up, or you know, any other different kind of sneaker content, and you, my friend, are in the right place.
batter up, lyrics hitting home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it, burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
Alright y'all, without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today we're about to get into the unboxing of a customized Nike Air Force One low that I created on Nike by You or Nike ID, whichever one you want to call it. When I created it, obviously on the website it looked really dope, really fire, and so my expectation was, I wonder what these about to look like in hand. I've been waiting like 2.5 weeks for these. I don't know, I think 2.5 weeks, I'm not completely sure. It might have just been like a week and a half or like a solid 2 weeks. It's either one of those. And shout out to my mom for buying these. I did show her the customization when I did it, like when I created it, and she offered to pay for them, so thank you for that. And yeah, let's start opening this thing. Wait, is it here? All right, we got it. That was kind of strange. Never seen a box like this, but whew, I think I seen a little peep. Hold on, I think I got a peep. Ooh. Oh man, all right, here we go. Nike by You, this is the box that it will come in. And I like the fact that it's an all white box because of course when you grab the shoe, it is basically, it starts off as all white, and then you would just go ahead and customize it to your liking. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, I gotta open that. Whew. It's clean. And of course, since it is a customization, it is a one of one. I like how they got that tissue paper in there. That's crazy. And for the shoe, this fire. This came out really good. I like this. It's hard. This came out so much better than it did on the app. Hold on, we gonna leave that box to the side. Hold up a second. Ah man. This. Oops. Oh yeah. I had a long moment of silence there, my bad. And so this is the customization that I did. I had decided to go with like a cream and the olive throughout the shoe. And I decided to go with the cream because when I thought about the all whites, I was like, I didn't really want these to get dirty too much. So of course I did cream, and for the bottom I did the olive. That way the bottoms, like, of course can't get that dirty and like you won't be able to see it. So that was my mindset behind that. And I just wanted like something fresh, like a fresh olive and like a cream, I don't know, like a fall vibe to them. And this definitely came up. And then on the back, which is one of my favorite parts of the entire shoe, I didn't want it to have regular Nike Air, so of course I put Sonny on the back of them. And honestly that worked out perfect because I think you only have like 3 letters or something. And so of course Sonny is 6 letters, so just split it up, S-A-U-N-E-Y. There's only one thing I'm stuck on. I don't know what to call these. Cause like when I was creating these, I didn't know exactly what I would name them. I was kind of just messing around with different colors, and these two just really stuck with me. And I didn't really think of a name for them. I really should think of a name for these. Let me know down in the comments what's something that y'all would name these, cause I don't know. Maybe just the olive and cream Air Force One lows. I don't know. Give it time. I'll probably come up with something for these. But yeah, this is my first time actually like going through with this, because obviously back in like high school and stuff, all my sneakerheads know that in class, if there was some downtime, or even if there wasn't no downtime, you was on your laptop and you was on Nike ID and you was creating some colorways. I did that a good amount of times, and now that I finally got one, it's It's just one of those. It's just one of those things. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm psyched that I actually got this. But one thing I'm really curious about is how these rings about to look on feet. You know what? Let's get to it.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting bombed. Locked in a cell in your mind, I've been here for some time, and it's crazy we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grin. One thing that I know, you best run in that store, you take everything green and you pop them and dip. To tell you the truth, you're an opportunist. If you think you can, then you gotta do it. Pull up on the bass and rocket through it. At the end of the day, this is riding music. I'm the man, not your man, baby, don't confuse it. And I don't give a damn about a humble movement. I'm just talking my shit cause I'm going through it. I don't bug, I don't hear, I'ma fucking lose it. Ask if I sign, I'ma tell them like 10 million. If not, don't ask me again. I never charge for a verse, but it costs for a hearse, so I might as well profit the pen. You stuck in a cycle of gassing your friends, not smoking them out, but you lying to them. How me and my brothers were keeping 100 ball working. If nothing, I'm checking they check.
Thank you everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? Like seriously, what are y'all waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We on that road to 1K. Let me know down below what you think of the customization, and yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.